tayong tuna salad, boiled potato, boiled corn, cubes cucumber, cubes capsicum red, tomato cubes, lettuce, pasta. Tingnan mo yung macaroni, may big and small. And this is our tuna. Ito, mayonnaise, little mustard, olive oil, salt, and pepper. So, yan na ang ating healthy and yummy salad. Tuna. Diba? Sarap yarn. After, i-mix na natin lahat-lahat. Mapupuno yung bowl. Kasi ito marami na. Ito optional lang if you like. Pwede din lagyan ng onion. I think masarap. White onion. Ito